Grandma, are we going fishing?
Yes, my child, the river is waiting.
Yay, I can't wait! Grandma, the tree is so big! It is, my dear. It has seen many years.
Can we sit here? See how I loop the thread?
Yes, Grandma. Can I try?
Of course, my dear.
I'm ready.
Watch closely, dear.
What is it, Grandma?
This is our fishing net. See how it opens?
Wow! Whee! This is so much fun!
Be careful, dear one. Such a joyful child. Let's get our catch into the basket.
It's so shiny!
A good catch for us.
Look, Mama! The water is so cool!
Yes, my dear, play happily. What a lovely day for a walk, beta.
Yes, Daddy. The fish look so fresh.
We'll cook them together.
Food is ready! Coming, Amachi! Hurry, dear! Okay, the ducklings are coming too!
Here you go, my dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
Eat well, little one.
I will.
Here you go, my dear, fresh and hot.
It smells so good, Grandma.
Here you go, dear, some extra fish.
Wow, it looks so good, Grandma.
Enjoy it while it's hot.
I will. So crispy.
Eat slowly, dear.
Okay, Grandma. Grandma, that was so delicious.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, my dear.
You're the best cook.